Hello friends, I am busting into my Maggie Home Sunny Days collection. I am choosing, I think in the end I've used 4 pieces of this pattern paper. I used the one that has the mustard border right here. I cut off that border. Didn't really care for the mustard color, but I do appreciate the light peachy pink color that it is, and I'm going to mat it on this one that has a pink and a cream colored repeating pattern. And I thought about gutting the center so that I could use that pattern paper again, but I just thought, nah, just leave it whole. So I'm scrapping 2 pictures of me and Valentina on Snapchat filters, and then I'm going to cut out all of these gorgeous florals from this one pattern paper. I do cut them out with the leaves attached to them right now, at least in the beginning, and then in the end, just word of advice, I cut off the leaves and just added them all separately when I could. I had good intentions to use them as they were, but if you just do the flowers and then the leaves, you'll have more control of your layout in general and overall. So like I said, I did do this, cut them out first with the leaves on it, but in the end the leaves did come off in order to kind of cluster them in 2 vertical columns, as you'll see very shortly. I thought I would about doing it like a horizontal way, but I kind of like this vertical layout, and I added a few pink doilies from my stash behind a few areas. I think I add one more, but I also found them in white. But this became a very monochromatic layout, which I kind of love, and it's a little bit different for me as well. So I like the arrangement right here, and then I thought I would use these Maggie Holmes frames. These are from the Willow Lane collection. I had them from a hip kit. And I liked it in there, and then I put it on the top corner, part 2, and I liked it there as well, but I thought that the pink wasn't the same tone. That little border on it was more peach, and so it was like bugging me a little bit that it wasn't like the right color. But I'll definitely use those frames in a layout because they are so cute. I just love the pom-pom trim on them, and so they're sitting on my desk like ready to use. But I'm proud that I got into, like I said, I use 3 pattern papers right here, and then I take a separate one and mat my photos so that there's a pattern paper behind them as well. And it worked out quite well, and like I said, at least if you saw my Blitzy haul, I'm scared to use this collection because I have one of everything in the paper pad, so I have to like be so selective, and I have my second one already in the making, but it's like hard to cut paper. I don't know, you know what the problem is. Us ladies, we always want to keep all the pretty papers. So you saw me I popped up 1 flower on each side with fun foam just for some added interest, and this is the pattern paper that I'm going to cut into for the matting of the photos. And I like it because at least it gives a little bit of interest to the borders because of the mandala design on the paper. And these photos were taken at the office. Valentina has been lately joining us at the office for the last hour of work because my sitter kind of works till 5:30, and we're still at the office till 6:37. So when she's with me at the front desk, this is what I do. I take Snapchat photos. She has her bubble in her mouth, but they're just kind of cute. Little memories, little moments in time. And so I'm going to pop up the one on the top that covers the top corner of the other photo so that there's a little bit of overlay and the dimension, and I like the way that's coming along. Like I said, I did think about doing the overlay, the layout horizontal, but vertical just seemed to work better. I haven't really done a vertical layout, so it looked good. Then I'm taking the embossed metallic sheet as well. I use the sprig of like the flourish right there that you see next to the bottom picture. I use 2 hearts, and I use the butterfly as well in the end. And these are super metallic, and like I said, you can see me snipping them right there. You need a little bit of surgery in order to get each of the die cuts off of this little sheet. It's a little unusual. I don't know why they packaged it in this way. Considering that you could also have made it die cuts that were embossed. I don't know. I'm not mad at it. And they're not stickers either. That's what I also had to learn. I was like peeling the back of one of them. I was like, where is the sticker aspect? They're not really stickers. It's just an embossed sheet of metallic paper. Just so you know. So you don't have like moments like me where I'm like, I can't get the back of this off. My title is going to be Better Together, and I do believe this is from an Amy Tangerine collection. Not her latest one, but the one just before this one, because this thicker set was in a hip kit club. from the last few months. So it couldn't be that old, but I like the gold once again in this layout. And like I said, it became a very monochromatic layout, which I kind of love. These stickers are clear stickers from Maggie Holmes' Willow Lane. This was also from a former Hit Kit Club. And I take a few of the gold metallic clear stickers for more interest. So those are some leaves I added there. And then I liked a few of the phrases that were in this black text. I put one on the photo, one next to the photo, and one like in the bottom right corner, just for a little bit of added interest as you kind of look around this layout. And I thought about adding some more sequins. I've been on a kick with the Spiegelmom scraps, but I left it as so. I feel like it's a very elegant layout and very simple, but just luscious with these florals, and I loved it just the way it was. So the close-ups are coming by. Thank you for joining me. If you haven't subscribed so far, please do so. I'm hosting quite regularly. Hit the little bell notification for notifications, and I hope everyone is having an amazing day. Bye!